Children, good morning. Take your course book. Okay, children, this is your English class. Take page number 6. This is your English class, revision class, children. Okay. New life on a farm. What is the lesson name, children? Listen carefully. Already finished these lessons. Today onwards, we will discuss revision again these lessons. Okay ma? New life on a farm. This is Mr. Raw's farm. It's winter time. Everybody is excited about the coldest season of the year. Come, let us listen to what each of them has to say. Here, see, children. Farmer. Who is farmer here? He is a farmer. Okay. What is farmer's name? Mr. Raw. Mr. Raw is a farmer here. Okay, children. See here. Farmer said, I am so excited. Winter is really great. There will be so many changes and lots of things to happen. I can hardly wait. Here, Mr. Rao is a farmer here. He is waiting which season? Winter season. Why? In that winter season, so many changes happen. So, Mr. Rao is waiting for which season, children? Winter season. Okay. Here, farmer name is what? Farmer's name is Mr. Rao. Mr. Rao. Okay, ma? Okay, ma? Hen. You know something? Could hatch only a few chicks this season. And they hatch only a few chicks in this winter season. Okay, children? Chicks. Hen babies are called chicks. Hen babies are called chicks. Our house is made of straw and wooden planks. It's a lovely, cozy coop. See here, children. Chick's house is made up of what, children? Chick's house is made of straw and wooden planks. Okay, ma? Straw and wooden planks. See here, children. What is this? It is hen. Hen babies are called what? Chicks. Hen babies are called chicks. Hen lay eggs and it hatches some few chicks. Okay, children. Next. Next animal, sheep. What is this, children? This is a sheep. You know it? Okay. This is my little lamb, farmer is saying. This is my little. Okay, ma. Here, sorry, children, sheep is saying, this is my lamb. Sheep babies are called lamb. Sheep babies are called lamb. This is my little lamb. He is very active. Here, sheep is saying her child. Sheep baby are called lambs. It is my little lamb. This is my little lamb. He is very active. Next, lamb is saying, when I grow up, I want to look as beautiful as my mom. Here, this lamb is saying some words. Here, see children, when I grow up, I want to look as beautiful as my mom. I want to be the biggest woolly sheep in the world. What is lamb wants to be? Okay, the lamb wants to be the biggest woolly sheep in the world. Sheep babies are called lamb. Okay, ma, next animal. Okay, ma, next page. In that farmer's house, next animal, cat. Hi, I just had 6 kittens. Some are black and some are white. Okay, children, in this farmer's house, cat are there. Cat baby are called what, children? Kittens. Cat had how many kittens? 6 kittens. How many kittens? 6 kittens. Some are black color and some are white. Some are black and some are white. How many kittens cat had? 6 kittens. Cat babies are called what? Kittens. Next. Cow. Look at my cute baby. Here it is cow. Cow baby are called calf. Cow baby are called calf. This is my little calf. Kittens and calf. Hey, we shall have lots of fun when we play together. Here, see children. Here it is cat. Cat baby are called kitten. Cat, kitten. Cow and calf. Okay, they are playing together. Okay, now next. Next one, duck. These are ducklings. These are ducklings. This is duck. So duck baby are called duckling. Duck babies are called ducklings. All we do is to quack all the time. Here duck and ducklings are doing quack, quack, quack. Duck sound is what, children? Quack, quack, quack. All we do is to quack all the time. Here duck babies are called ducklings. Here it is duck. These are ducklings. Okay, Nana? Next page. Next. Pig. Hey, these are my piglets. Here pig is saying, these are my piglets. And they are 8. How many piglets are there here, children? See count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many piglets? 8 piglets. Okay. Pig babies are called what? Piglets. Pig babies are called piglets. Here piglets is saying, we are always hungry. And we cannot wait till we get the next yummy snack. Here piglets are always hungry and also cannot wait till we get the next yummy snack. Okay, here pig babies are called piglets. How many piglets are there? There are 8 piglets. Okay, children? Farmer. I feel so great to be a farmer, as it's so wonderful to meet our new arrivals in the farm. They are our special friends. Here he is a farmer. Farmer name is what? Farmer's name is Mr. Rao. Mr. Rao is waiting winter season. Why? Because in that season yeah, so wonderful to meet our new arrivals. So he is waiting winter season. It is very special for him. Okay, children. See, children, we will revise again. Hen babies are called chicks. Hen babies are called chicks. It is hen. These are chicks. Next, sheep babies are called lamb. Sheep babies are called lamb. It is sheep. Sheep baby is lamb. Here lamb is want to look as beautiful as his mother, and also he wanted to be the biggest woolly sheep in the world, and also he wanted to be the lamb is wanted to be the biggest woolly sheep in the world. Here cat. Cat baby is called kitten. Cat baby is kitten. Cat babies are called kittens. Baby is singular. Babies are plural. So cat baby is kitten. Babies are kittens. Here cat had how many kittens? 6 kittens. Here the cat had 6 kittens, and they are what color? Some are black in color and some are white in color. Some are black in color and some are white in color. Okay, Nana? Next, cow. Cow babies are called calf. Cow baby is called calf. Here cow baby is calf, and also here cat babies are called kittens. Cow babies are called calf. Here they both are playing together. Next, duck babies are called ducklings. Duck baby is duckling. Babies are called ducklings. Here it is duck. Yes, you like it, Nana? Yes. These are ducklings. They are in water. Their sounds is quack, quack, quack. Pig. Pig babies are called piglets. Pig babies are called piglets. Here how many piglets pig had? These are 8 piglets. There are 8 piglets. Pig babies are called piglets. How many piglets are there in Mr. Rao's farm? 8 piglets. Okay. And also piglets are always hungry and they cannot wait next hum a snack. He is Mr. Rao. He is a farmer. Who is farmer? He is a farmer. What is farmer's name? Mr. Rao. Mr. Rao is a farmer. And also he is waiting for which season? Winter season. Why? Because in winter season so many changes will happen, and also he met new arrivals in that farm. And also it is special for him. Okay, children, read and write at least one time. How many animals are there in Mr. Rao farm? And also animals babies are called what? How many piglets are there? Learn, read and write, children. See, children, take your pencil and underline hen, chicks, sheep, lamb, cat, kittens, cow, calf, duck, ducklings, pig, piglets. Here Mr. Rao farm winter. Farmer. Mr. Rao winter farm winter farmer. And also wonderful arrivals. Okay, children, these underlined words read and write each word 5 times in your rough notebook. Okay, we will meet again in next class, children. Thank you, children. Take care. Bye.